100% due date performance once we go into production and the units are cycling through our facility. Certainly since privatisation, we hadn't achieved that. And just to give that context, we've been 100% on our delivery for nearly 9 months. So that's, well, in our view, a fantastic achievement. We've also taken significant spend out of the business, about $9 million to date. We've looked at focused purchasing, taking cost out of engineering. We're able to reduce overtime significantly. We're not, due to far better enablement, we're not having to put overtime on because we're waiting for delivery of material or we've got an issue, with engineering. So that's a big benefit. And also we've got a lot less contracted labour. We're a lot more efficient in what we do in our processes and operations.